Turn on the instrument. Turn on the computer. Open the software. Preheat for 10 minutes. Please perform a peak adjustment with the silver sample first every day. Click the Peak Adjust button. Click OK. When completed, it will display complete DSP fine gain turning. Click OK, and then we can test. Let's test a gold necklace. Click the Play button. We can choose the test curve here. We chose a U-curve for gold testing. It will get the results in 1 minute. We can see it is an 18-karat gold necklace. Click the printer icon. Choose A4. A PDF report will be generated. Thanks for watching.